The Ajinomoto Group produces and sells various seasonings and processed foods in more than 130 countries and regions global.
Ajinomoto.
I'm John Dexter Lazarte.
I'm Christian Montemayor.
I'm Jansen Salonga.
I'm Benedict Roberto.
I'm Miles Dexter Galvez.
Hello everyone, we are here to present our report to Ajinomoto Company Incorporation and Yakult Honsha Company. Good day everyone. The first one we're going to report is Ajinomoto Company Incorporation. So here is the company profile of Ajinomoto Company. Company name, Ajinomoto Company Incorporation. The head office of Ajinomoto is located in 151 Kyobashi in Chome, Choku, Tokyo 1048315 in Japan. The telephone number 8135250811. The website of Ajinomoto is www.ajinomoto.com. Ajinomoto is founded in May 20, 1909 and established in December 17, 1925. Paid in capital of Ajinomoto 79,863 million yen as of March 31, 2023. The number of employees of Ajinomoto is 3,335 non-consolidated employees, and the consolidated employees of Ajinomoto is 34,615 as of March 31, 2023. Fiscal year end March 31. So I call Benedict to present the mission vision of Ajinomoto.
Mission vision of Ajinomoto Company Incorporation is first one, mission. Contribute to customers' business by trading. So the next one is vision. The vision of Ajinomoto is to be a business partner. We offer operational quality you can trust. So the mission of Ajinomoto Company Incorporation is to help improve the health of humankind. Their ultimate goal is to provide adaptive solutions, responsive service, trusted partnerships, and peace of mind to our customers. So Ajinomoto Company Incorporation take pride in knowing the efforts that are helping countless patients for years to come by being a leading, trusting, and innovative partner to company, customer, and employee. The next one is Dexter.
Here's the recruitment strategy of Ajinomoto Company Incorporation. Ajinomoto Group believes engaged employees are key to boosting corporate value. They are investing in fostering a team that passionate about their works and contributes to the company vision. This aims to create a more innovative, diverse, and adaptable organization using digital tech to support flexible work styles. And here's the specific example. Employee engagement, decent work, diversity and inclusion, employee health, safety and well-being, labor relations, fair labor practices, and company and compensation and benefits, recruitment, development, and retention.
Ajinomoto SWOT analysis. The Ajinomoto strength. First one is high cost advantage. Second, bargaining power of both suppliers and buyer is low. Well established is brand which has strong reputation, high brand equity. Next is low threat of new entrants due to high entry buyers and involves large capital. Next is loyal customer base. Comprehensive productions technologies. High responsiveness to customers. And last, strong financial position and has nearly 25,000 employees. Above are the strength is a SWOT analysis of Ajinomoto. The strength of Ajinomoto looks at the key internal factors of its business, which give its competitive advantage in the market and strengthens its position. And the weaknesses of Ajinomoto is persist, rely heavily on advertising. Second, focusing in way to high-end seasoning businesses. These were the weaknesses in the Ajinomoto SWOT analysis. The weaknesses of a brand are certain aspects of its businesses which can improve.
Ajinomoto opportunities, acquisition of smaller brands, emerging markets and expansion abroad, innovation in existing products. Above, we cover the opportunities in Ajinomoto SWOT analysis. The opportunities for any brand can include prospect of future growth. Ajinomoto threats, product substitution in seasoning is high. Intense competition, also lower cost competitors or imports. Unpredictable economy, price wars. The threats in SWOT analysis of Ajinomoto are, as I mentioned above, the threats for any business can be external factors which can negatively impact its business.
So here's the best practices of Ajinomoto. Group share policies on human resources, Ajinomoto Group. Established on March 1, 2018. Revised on April 1, 2024. The Ajinomoto Group recognized that our employees are its most important resource. The future of Ajinomoto Group is created by its employees. We believe that the growth of our employees leads to growth of the company and our contribution to society. In order to synchronize the growth of the company and employees, the Ajinomoto Group companies will create a work environment that enhances well-being, and employees strive to achieve autonomous growth. Number 1, policy concept. This policy represents the overall guidelines for human resource management of Ajinomoto Group companies. The policy shall be implemented in compliance with local, international laws and regulation, common sense, and high moral sense and ethical standard of employees, and should be respected under all circumstances. Number 2, recruitment. We are committed to accepting and developing human resource for different countries and regions who can ensure the sustainable growth of Ajinomoto Group. We are seeking employees that can demonstrate originality, adopt a global perspective, and work with new ideas, and who can share the joy of working with Ajinomoto Group members.
Number 3, working conditions. Are committed to providing our employees with good working conditions, securing a safe and comfortable work environment, and supporting creation of workplace environment that can maintain and enhance the mental and physical health of employees. Making it easy for diverse employees to work together.
Number 4, organizational culture under the concept based on the Ajinomoto Group way. Aim for a workplace culture where employees are more motivated and productivity improves. They value teamwork for a sustainable growth of the Ajinomoto Group.
Number 5, human resource development. The Ajinomoto Group companies encourage all their employees to continue to upgrade their knowledge and skills to contribute to society, and offer them fair opportunities for HR development and for exercising their capabilities, respect personality, individuality, and diversity, and support continued development of employees who set high goals and take challenges.
Number 6, employees in company stakeholders. The Ajinomoto Group's management and employees are expected to carry out their jobs, mutually recognizing the importance of establishing positive relationship based on respect for the one another. The company and employees representatives are expected to build relationships based on mutual trust to contribute to the property of society through the development of each individual and the sustainable growth of the company.
$8 billion. 8 billion live Lactobacillus casei strain Shirota ang nasa bawat bote ng Yakult. Discovered by Dr. Minoru Shirota in 1930, Yakult is scientifically proven to help improve digestion and immunity. Yan ang protection ng 8 billion. Kaya drink Yakult every day. Para every day, okay!
May 8 billion ka ba dyan?
Tell us, you cult man.
And for the second company that we chose is Yakult Honsha Company LP. So this is the company profile of Yakult. Corporate name, Yakult Honsha Company LP. Date founded, 1935. Date incorporated, April 9, 1955. Head office of Yakult Company. 11030 Kaigan, Minotoku, Tokyo 1058660 in Japan. Telephone number 813-6625-8960. Paid in capital 117.65 million yen. Annual account settlement date, March 31. Number of employees, 2,765, including 466 employees temporarily assigned to other companies and contract employees. 286 employees temporarily assigned and 160 contract employees as of March 31, 2023. Main banks, Mizuho Bank, Resona Bank, MUFG Bank.
So here is the mission vision of Yakult Honsha Company. Mission: to contribute to the health and happiness of every person around the world through the pursuit of excellence in life sciences and study of microorganisms. Vision: Yakult pushes forward with the quest for new possibilities for probiotics in the academic and medical fields.
And for the marketing strategy of Yakult Honsha Company, it discussed the common practices of companies producing health drinks, some of which may taste unpleasant, while others prioritize taste alongside health benefits. Exemplified by Yakult, a non-fat probiotic drinks maker. Probiotic drinks contain beneficial bacteria that combat harmful bacteria in the body. The blog will explore Yakult's marketing strategy highlights its focus on delivering a healthy and enjoyable beverage option.
Jensen. Yakult Honsha SWOT analysis. Strength: high brand awareness. The company has done a great job of making its company knows to a wide variety of people. Since its establishment and to this day, Yakult has stayed true to its values. The company continues to spread the word about health. And of course, people love that. Available from everyone. There is no age restrict regarding this drink. Your child can have it, you can have it, your grandma can, etc. It is an excellent option for everyone. Strong brand reputations. Dr. Shirota's efforts have been proven to be worthy. All the time that have devoted to coming up with the perfect formula has seen its goodness. People love Yakult even more for its status and reliability.
Weaknesses: limited flavor choices. Overall, There are only 4 flavors of these drinks. Those are the original flavor, green apple, orange, and grape. While these are great flavors, they may be not everyone's cup of tea. Storage difficulty. The taste of drink is not as nice if not kept correctly. You have to keep your Yakult in the refrigerator. It is alright to leave them out for a little bit. However, if you keep it outside, the sugar inside the drink will cause the creation of lactic acid. We all know that acid tastes sour. However, the point of this drink is not sourness, but freshness and fruitiness. Limited distribution channel. Yakult is marketed in about 40 countries worldwide. While that is high enough number, it is moderate in a big picture. Challenging to see. Yakult drinks tend to get lost in supermarket aisles. As they are small, they are not as eye-catching. Thus, customer may go for different options simply because they did not catch the Yakult.
Opportunities, health concern trends. People are starting to become more and more cautious about what they put in their bodies. They use substitute product for their favorite junk foods. Yakult can surely benefit from that and use update marketing tactics. Increase in convenience store and hypermarkets. Yakult is a simple every morning drink. People buy it with their usual groceries. As the number of stores is increasing, so it's a possibility for sales for Yakult.
Trends. Competitor advantages. For example, Amul, one of the Yakult's greatest competitors, makes considerably more flavors than Yakult. Hence why, as people liking Barry, they choose to buy competitors' product. Quick expiration. You can buy a whole bunch of Yakult drinks and store them in your fridge for as long as 45 days. But as soon as you open a bottle, you have to consume it at once. If you do not do so, the probiotics will not do their magic.
Yakult Honsha Company. Best practices HR. Number 1. Quality commitment. Yakult places a strong emphasis on quality. From a raw material selection to production process, they maintain strict quality control standard. This commitment ensures that their products meet the highest standard of excellence. Number 2. Innovation and research. Yakult's success story is closely tied to its investment in research and development. Their continuous pursuit of innovation allows them to stay ahead of the competition and offer high-quality production backed by scientific research.
Number 3. Global expansion strategy. Yakult has expanded its reach globally. Their presence is multiply countries allows them to cater to diverse markets and adapt to local preferences while maintaining their core product quality.
Number 4. Brand image. Yakult has built a strong brand image over the years. Their commitment to health, backed by scientific evidence, resonate with consumers. This positive perception contributes to their success.
Number 5. Distribution and marketing strategies. The company employs the Yakult Lady system as its primary selling strategy. Yakult Ladies directly engage with consumer to promote the health benefits of their product.
Additionally, Yakult Marketing Corporations covers Metro Manila and suburbs, while provincial distributors handles other regions. This dual approach ensures efficient distribution and widespread availability.
Just like how a chef adds flavor to dishes, Ajinomoto adds taste and depth to various cuisines with its umami seasonings. It's known for its MSG product, which enhance the taste of food. Feature a comforting bowl of ramen, perfectly balanced with Ajinomoto seasoning, creating a savory experience that's hard to forget.
Second, Yakult Honsha Company. Now, think of Yakult as your friendly neighborhood health guru. Yakult Signature Probiotic Drink. Yakult is a like tiny army of good bacteria marching into your gut, promoting digestion and overall well-being. It's like having a little wellness coach in a bottle, reminding you to take care of your gut health every day.
And for our comparative analysis for these two companies, while Ajinomoto focuses on the enhancing taste and flavor in food, Yakult prioritizes digestive health. It's like comparing the joy of indulging in delicious meal with the satisfaction of knowing you are taking care of your body from the inside out. Both companies offer products that aim to improve people's lives just in different ways. One through taste, the other through health. I'm John Dexter Lasarte.
I'm Christian Montemayor.
I'm Jansen Salonga.
I'm Benedict Roberto.
I'm Miles Dexter Galvez.
So that's it. This is our presentation for the two companies that we chose. Thank you very much.